Hey everybody, that's a quick unboxing video of the new angle grinder from Milwaukee. That's the new version that has the rapid stop, meaning once you release of the pedal or the slide switch, it immediately stops. It is rated as 11 amps, the equivalent of 11 amps corded angle grinder. I believe this one is 6 amp. Let me double check that. Yeah, that is true. I got few notes here. So this is although it's rated for the equivalent of 11 amp for corded power, it is actually 6 amp, which is 780 watts for us in US. The entire weight of the product is 5.5 pounds. That's without the battery. It is rated for 8,500 RPMs. It is something that I really want to see. It says fixed tech. I haven't seen that. The other thing is this specific version has the electronic clutch. Home Depot also have the same thing without the slide stop, so it has the paddle switch, which is exactly the same price, but it doesn't have the second guard. That's for different tasks, for grinding, not for cutting, and it doesn't have the brake function. But let's check it out. So nice thick box. So online ordering is definitely an option. You can safely order this product online and be sure that it will arrive in good condition. Never had Milwaukee's delivered to me in some kind of bad or foreign fashion. It's a nice sign that it comes together in the bag with a nice bag. It is very heavy package, so we gotta take care of it. This specific version also has the one key feature, which allows you to track and manage your inventory, usage, how much time it's been on, off, where is it located. It's a very good function. It's a very good addition to this version of the angle grinder. So let's see what else is there. This is one of the biggest bags that I have seen of Milwaukee's, and there is the product, some materials that practically no one reads, but we all should, right? Okay, operator's manual doesn't say anything different other than how to take care of it, how to use it, how many volts, how many amps, how to charge it, stuff like that. Okay, let's put that aside. The charger that it comes with is the Rapid Charge, which is the next generation of chargers for Milwaukee's. You can hang them on the wall with 2 screws like this, and that function pretty much it is a game changer, because it changes maybe 30% faster, which for Milwaukee's that charge a little bit faster, it's kind of really unparalleled compared to other brands. Of course, that results in maybe batteries not having such a long life, but it is what it is. There is a certain trade-off to rapid charging. All right, let's see the new batteries first. I believe this version comes with the red lithium-ion output battery, 6.0. I believe there is a Home Depot version of this one. I'm not sure if it's with 1 key that comes with 8, but this one is very good. the high output is the next generation of batteries for Milwaukee. So I believe at a certain point of time all their batteries would be high output. They operate under a lower temperature. They have circuit board inside that prevents them from overheating, and thus it prolongs the battery life. So it is the battery to go with nowadays. And now let's see the tool itself. Tool itself is nice and light. It's definitely nice and light. I definitely like that. The balance with the battery itself is much better. Very well balanced product. Good job, Milwaukee. You guys did an awesome job with that. So there it is, like the center of balance is somewhere here. Let me see if I'll be able to do that. Yep, it's right in the middle of your grip. It is nice and soft here with a nice cushion. So with the battery at 0 at the first level, it is still nice. The rapid stop kicks in immediately. I'm not sure how well visible it is. So that nut has like two specific settings. One is once you need to use a grinding disc, the type 27. You have to put it like this. With that protruded area here. You have to put it up. And when you're using one of those discs, the thin side disc, then you have to install it with the threads like this, with the thread downward, so you have a larger face here. Okay, so that's really nice. Okay, what else is nice about that? Just a regular stem, call it as, I believe 5/8 is the standard version. That's a very unique new addition of how to install this spring here. This spring-loaded ring here is the addition that's for installing and removing the guard, which is a nice addition in my opinion. Let's see how it fares with. So this is the one for grinding, and supposedly it has to be installed. A little interruption, my phone overheated, so I was eager to tell you the function of this ring and the function how it secures the guard. You just align it like this. Okay, press down and rotate, and that's it. Guard is secured. And now you have that addition that also snaps in place like this. And it can be fixed to this position if you're working like this, or it can be also reversed through the other position like that, if you're working on this angle. It is extremely well built tool, really like it. Comes with 2 sets of high output batteries. Both come in fully drained. I mean, they need the recharge, but that's I believe the standard application. It's the standard way of shipping batteries, so you need to be mindful. They say they say the batteries need to be recharged fully and then left a little bit for maybe 20-30 minutes after, but I'm not really certain that this is true. So just use normal care. I have one of those chargers from another tool that's not the rapid charge, and I'm not sure which one to use, whether the rapid charge or the other one. Maybe it will prolong the life of the battery, maybe it won't, but let me put a disc here and we'll see how it cuts. Alright, so it comes with also the handle that I didn't like one thing about it. There is no way to hide the key for the knob inside. Like I've seen on other tools that you're able to like slide it like this, and there is a little notch or recess on two ends where you're able to hide this inside the handle itself, but not on this tool. It has nice and really strong feel, nice cushion, very good for gripping. I really like this handle, and I think this is not the type. This has to be yet to be determined how it will be resistant to oils, you know, when you're oiling this, whether it will dissolve. It doesn't look like the regular butylene type. Has more a silicone touch to it. It is very nice. It is very nice. I definitely like it. Two positions, mounted on this side, mounted on the other side. Okay. I'm installing it just to, you know, I mean, I know that I'm installing it the wrong way. I'm just doing it, you know, to avoid any kind of additional advertising that I shouldn't be doing. Nice positive button to stop. Key is nice and long and it provides excellent grip. Let me see. So the line is perfect. This from this end to this end for grinding. It is perfect. This is definitely not in the way of the plane of the grinding. Maybe with a bigger battery, but no, there is still plenty of room here, plenty of room here, plenty of room there. Now let's see how it goes. So it does maybe 5 revolutions before stopping completely. Let's see how it fares cutting. You should have. Let's see. On a weak charge, I would say I did an awesome job with my wobbly hand, but I believe this This is the angle grinder to have, guys. One very nice and complete tool, very versatile, 2 batteries. At that price, I believe it is the angle grinder to have. Thanks for watching. Bye.